Howdy, 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 everybody. The new DVD is out. Trade Like a Boss right there. It's been out for a week or so. Orders have been coming in. Thank you very much. You can go over to the good old quantlabs.net DVD for that here at quantlabs/DVD for that. If you're into the book thing, got two books for you. Two books. Let me show you that. Right here at quantlabs.net/book. Those are available as well, and it'll cost you a whole whopping $1. $1. That's it. Okay, and over at the DVD. Let's get to the crypto. Before I get into it, last Friday I did say, no, let's not do crypto or Forex. Bad. That was when I was on MotiveWave. Well, guess what? I've been booted off of MotiveWave because they don't want me to talk about crypto. And I've got now alternative services for email, so I don't have to worry about crypto and Forex on this channel, even though I don't really care, right? Let's get over to our MotiveWave here. So here we are in MotiveWave. Yeah. All right, so let's check out the crypto in US dollar, okay? Let's check her out. As I just did a video on Forex, look at crypto. This looks sweet. Okay, we've got waves, 3.46 up, nowhere close to what Forex is doing, or even the CFDs for that matter. Litecoin's not doing too bad at 1.87. XRP, which has been in the news lately, has been moving 1.55 and 1.28 on the, oh my God, coin as well as Dash, 1.05. That's not bad. Not bad at all. A lot more opportunity there than Forex, because Forex is DEAD, dead. Okay, let's look at what's in the Bitcoin market. And of course, these are across a span of different markets on exchanges. But it's fairly flat, but still you got XRP or Ripple, Bitcoin up 1.48%, Dash against BTC up 1.11%, and Stellar at 0.97. Pretty good. Let's check out our current charts, see what they've been doing. I haven't checked crypto in a long time. So we got here Dash against BTC. This is a 15-minute chart. Pretty good. Okay, let's check out if you haven't heard about Zcoin or Zcash, it was reporting, and this is again a 15-minute chart, it was reporting a 27% return for a few days, day over day, last week. 27%. This coin people thought were dead and buried, but this thing came roaring back last week. If I pull up the one-day chart, let's check it out. There's some big moves there on the Zcash. You can see that right here. And of course, our system took advantage of it. Yeah. All right. And if you are an analytics fan, remember, you have done well for yourself. All right. So one other coin that is XMR, you can see the volatility here. That's a mean reversion coin. Without a doubt, that's the coin that you'd use for mean reversion. If you really know all about coins in crypto, what you'll notice here is we got Dash, Zcoin, and XMR. If I was to do a test with you right now, what are the commonality between those three coins? And you know what they are? They're private coins. This is where people are moving into as Australia is starting to control how much money you can have in your pocket and how much money you can take out of the bank at $10,000 per day. We don't have these restrictions with these private coins. And they'll probably boom later on in the year, because I personally think that the coins are going to do well, especially in crypto, as governments start to clamp down on tax and how much money you can have that you've already paid taxes on, and that's sitting in the bank. That's right, folks. Your dollars are going to be controlled, and that's where crypto is going to fly. And this is the utility of Bitcoin and other cryptos will build. All right, so let's check out some of these other coins that are moving. Let's check out the good old waves. Let me see if we can open up that chart. Well, we got the waves there. XMR is moving up as well. What I'll do here is we want to check waves, BTC. Okay, here it comes. Let's see what waves has been doing pretty good. It's again mean reversion. That's classic mean reversion. That's a 15-minute chart. But if you look at a daily chart, you know, it's moved up. It's done pretty good. It's done all right. So that's one of our movers right now. We also have XRP. This has been in the news a lot. Okay, if you've not been following the crypto space, XRP and Bitcoin are the ones that are getting a lot of the attention, but this one has been doing A-okay. So let's pull it up on the 15-minute chart and see what it is. Look at that big move, man. You ain't going to get that in Forex, that's for sure. I don't know why people want to trade Forex. No leverage needed. If you trade that and you do the right calls each and every day where it never stops, not including Saturday and Sunday, you can do pretty good on these kind of calls. So that's doing all right too. Let's see what else we got here. OMG, I'm not a big fan, and I'll show you why. I don't like this coin at all, even though it's moving. I should remove it from my watch list. But some people will want to trade it. I don't know why, but here it is. You'll see how volatile it is and how it's unpredictable. It's just one of those charts I just don't like looking at. Here's a 6-hour chart. You can see the wicks are pretty extreme there. So not for me, but thought I'd show it to you anyways. There's an alert. All right, so what else do we have brewing here? We got Dash, XMR we've looked at, and that's in USD. I keep everything in the world of crypto, so we'll look at the BTC market. We have Dash, which we just looked at. XLM we've looked at. Let's see, XLM. Okay. Okay, so there's XLM. Nice chart again, especially when these kind of moves. Again, it goes in the mean reversion. I'll be working on a mean reverting strategy fairly soon. So what else do we have here? Litecoin looks like it was up. So why don't we include that as well? LTC, BTC. But again, look at these extreme wicks. I don't know. I mean, you could probably do it on a hourly. Let me see if we've done an hourly. But see how far it's been beaten down on the 1 day? That's lost a lot. Will it come back? Who knows? But I'll leave it at that. And then also I'll throw in ETH BTC as well for good measure as well. And those are the ones I'm going to keep my eyes on for as well. This one's been beaten down too, pretty good. If I show you the weekly, so the daily, there's a weekly. Will it come back? I could show you a trend and show you the trend. Nothing. It has touched that trend line over the 6-month history, but it hasn't broken through. It has not been able to sustain the support level that's needed to keep it moving. But we can take a look at that in a minute. What else? There was one more coin I was looking at. Oh yes, haven't put it up here. Is one that's being talked about is BTC against USDT. I don't know if this will come up, but let's try. BTC USDT. Let's see here. No, we can't pull it up. Oh well. But let's pull up. Let's do what? Yeah, let's do Kraken, I guess, as the exchange. 15-minute. Bitcoin's been doing pretty good, but let's see what that little. Again, it's mean reversion, folks. That's all I can tell you. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We've looked at a bunch of them. They're not doing a whole lot. So what I'll do is I'm going to apply my templates with the studies, as well as make them available for my quant analytic members, and the signal should work. Okay, let's do that. So the first one is Dash BTC. That looks like it may have an upswing, but it's just oscillating right now. It's not doing a whole lot. So here we go. And then we're going to make that available to our members. Boom, you have it now. Zcash, look at that. That's really good, but it's now going into this pretty extreme moves here. But it may, I mean, if you look at that daily chart there, and that goes all the way back over to June. So that clearly may, if I was to pull up a trend line on that, this is the only coin that's breaking 6-month trend. On the extended, let's say, where's my, let's say we have a high here. Okay. So put that, okay, so we want that. And if I get my, okay, here we go. So we could do that or that. Okay, that's a 6-month trend over 204 days. So it's the only coin so far that's breaking that support. And even if I was to apply the support levels, support and resistance right here, let's see what this comes up with. You can see here, here's our historical support, but traditionally it is breaking through the resistance even over the last few, since the last month, let's say. That's pretty strong. And that's for Zcash. So I'll definitely make this chart available to all of you analytic folks. Boom, boom, boom. That's good enough for me. So let's check out XMR BTC. I'm going to apply the template for all its studies and make that chart available for all of you folks. All right, so let's check out waves. This one's doing pretty good. It's a 1 day. Again, look at that. It's kind of coming back. Well, it's in a steep decline. Who knows? I will apply the template on that and then make that available to all of you. And then continuing along, XRP BTC, man, that's a winner right there. That's a 15-minute chart. So let's check out the daily. Nice. It's kind of extreme moves. You can see a big move, big down move. I'd still consider this. I'll put on a 15-minute chart for the intraday play. Well, let's do that. Boom, boom, boom. And then make that available for all of you folks. All right. So XLM Stellar, another good one going into its mean reversion. But again, let's see how it looks historically over the last 6 months. It looks like we have another winner. Yeah, I think Stellar's on the move. If I was to apply those support levels, let's see here. Let's look at that. See, there you go. So it's, well, it looks like it has crossed over the previous support. Who knows? I think that's a good sign. So that's a daily chart. So it hasn't been beaten down as much as before historically, and we're going all the way back to May. Let's look at the weekly. Yeah, it's been beaten down pretty good since January 2018 highs. It hasn't moved a whole lot, but intraday, it looks like it's a pretty good one. So let me get rid of these support levels. Here. Ready, apply support export all that. Yeah, yabba dabba doo, and do the chart as well. Boom, looking good. Next up, Litecoin against BTC. That's looking, it's going back to somewhere close to the September high, nowhere close to the 6-month high. 15-minute, let's check out that. Again, those are pretty extreme. Not a fan, not a fan. I'll do the daily, apply the template, make it available. Again, this is for a daily chart on the Litecoin against BTC. Boom. All right, so we got Ethereum, BTC. Again, it's very similar to Bitcoin and the rest of them. So let's see, 15 minutes. You know, I'm going to have a new indicator ready to go, or new template for mean reversion like that. So we'll be able to apply that as well. Make that available to all of you analytic folks. Boom. And what else do we have? Bitcoin against US dollar. Psh, man. Sometimes you get excited by these things, but it looks like, see, again, I've been tracking the trend line, the historical trend line here. Let's start it from here. Okay, so let's just say, man, I'll eventually get this right. Okay, so we'll do that to here. So we know it's established that breakthrough. So it has hit the support. If I was to do the support resistance fun stuff, support and resistance. So this is the mother of all of them. So it looks like we need to establish probably in here. So we need to see it hit around 89.50 or so in order to establish a real solid entry. And again, I can create an alert for that. So let me get rid of these guys. Oops. All righty. All right, let me just clean this up here. Come on. All righty. So we are going to apply a regular study there and also chart. All right, save to, boom, boom, boom. So there you go. So we're good to go. So that's what it looks like. So I'll do a rehash again on this. So we've set up Dash against Bitcoin. This one looks pretty strong. Zcash against BTC. I think this is a really good one. XMR, I don't feel it. Waves against BTC, same, don't feel it. XRP is looking pretty good. I like that one. I do like Stellar against BTC is looking good as well. Litecoin, it may be in the beginning of something. I don't know. Ethereum BTC. Let's see here on that daily. I don't know. Not as convincing as the other ones I mentioned. And then, of course, we have Bitcoin USD. This is the one where everything will start to happen. So hopefully that will start to show itself. I think we're on to something there. All right, so any questions, let me know. Also, as usual, if you aren't algo trading, you can get our DVD, quantlabs.net/DVD, as well as a book as well. But if you have any questions, let me know. If not, well, forever hold our peace. But thanks for watching. And let me know what you think in the comments. And remember, folks, don't trade in Forex. It's dying. Crypto it is. All right. So we shall talk to you soon. Have a good day.